Good afternoon, one and all. Can you hear me? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Ismail, could you please stop your video? Okay, thank you. Good afternoon, Kiru. Good afternoon, Bikram. Thank you. Good afternoon. Chukura, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Emmanuel. Good afternoon, Nilofer. Good afternoon, Peter. Good afternoon, Jackson. Good afternoon, Mirza. Okay, so do you have any doubts with the previous classes? Do you have any doubts in your previous classes? Thank you. Okay, so I'm just checking you into the short topic just to get into the next one. I hope you're able to see the screen. Yes. Are you able to see the screen? Yeah, okay. Yeah. So say 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 3. What is the answer? And anybody don't know to solve this question, please do let me know. That's great. How many of you have not known to solve this? Let me know so that I can teach you. Or we can go on with the next. Yes, that's 7 by 12. Sure. See what we have to do. This is called as least common divisor. The first thing is I need to find what is the common LCM. That means what comes in the table of 4 and what comes in the table of 3 as a common number. What's the common number of table 3 and 4? A number which come both in 3 and 4 table. Yes. So what makes it 12? 4 times 3 makes it 12. The same time, 3 times 4 makes it 12. So what I multiply over here in the denominator, the same thing should be multiplied on the numerator also. Okay, what I multiply over here, that should be multiplied here also. Did you get that? Okay. Are you clear with that? So what is a common table? I'm going to write it. So 4 times 3 is 12. I have written it here. So I have here only 1. So multiplying with that 3 plus. I have here only 1. With that, I'm supposed to multiply with 4. Is done. So 1 times 3 is 3. So 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 times 4 is 4. 4 divided by 12. Yeah. So now the denominator, never remove it. It has to be since it's a fraction. That becomes 7 by 12. Are you clear with that? Yeah. Now, if it is a common denominator, let's say 2 by 7 plus 2 by 7. The method is going to be the same. The denominator should be same. Already I have 7 and 7. So I have to multiply it into 1. So this is 7. So same thing I have to multiply into 1 time into 1 time over here. So that becomes 4 by 7. Easy one, right? Okay. Now I'm giving you another one. Take time, think, and give me the answer. 2 by 7 plus 1 by 8 plus 5 over 3. So 3 numbers. Until now, we did it for 2 numbers. Now there are 3 fractions. Try it. Yep, we'll check it in after. Okay. Now, anybody want time? Anybody want time? Or shall I give you the answer? Anybody want time? Okay. I'm giving you 2 more minutes. Good, Ismail. We'll check it. Last 1 minute. Everybody got 349 by 168. That's fine. Good. Shall we check it now? 29 by 28. That's okay. Fine. So first thing is, all the three are different numbers, doesn't come up with any of the tables. So I have to multiply all of the three over here. 7 times 9 times 3. Okay. Sorry, 8. 8 times 3. So what is not over here? 8 and 3. That means 7 times 8 times 3. I have to do it over here. The same thing is multiplied in the numerator. Over here I have 8. What I don't have, 7 and 3. So multiplying it 7 times 3. Okay, times 1 also. So over here, what is not there? 7 and 8. So I'm multiplying the same thing over here in the numerator, 7 times 8. Did you get that? Okay, so now 8 times 3, 24, 24 into 2, 48. So this is 48 plus 7 threes are 21 times 1, again 21 plus 56 times 5. 56 times 5 will be 280. 280, okay. 56, 7 into 8, 56 times 5, 6, 5, 30, 25, 80, yes, 280. Okay, now I need to add them all. So 48 plus 21 plus 280. Why I have not multiplied these things is, I'll tell you the reason. So 8 plus 1, 9, 4, 5, 6 is 8, 14 and 1. So it is 349. Are you getting it? I'll explain again. Okay, so look here, I have 2 by 7, 1 by 8, 5 by 3. So I have to make the denominator common. In the previous question, we made the denominators common. Do you remember that? So 3 and 4 were the numbers. To make the denominator common, we took the tables of common. The same thing for 7, 8 and 3. What is the common table I'm trying to find? If I don't know, I would be multiplying the numbers along with them. Did you get that? Did you get that? Yes or no? Yeah. So how to make it common? I take the numbers of all these three and put it together. Okay, so why do I multiply all the three? Because I want the tables of them. What comes common in 7, 8, and 3 times table, so that I multiply 7 times 8 times 3. Did you get that? So in 7 times table, I have 7. What I don't have right now, 8 times 3. So that I multiply in the numerator and denominator. Are you clear with this step? So 7 doesn't have 8 times 3. So that with 7, I'm multiplying 8 times 3. And with 2 also, I'm multiplying 8 times 3. What I multiply in the denominator, the same thing should be multiplied in the numerator also. Are you okay with that? Now 8. I have to multiply these three things to get the number. So here what I have to multiply with the 8 times table, 7 and 3. Because if I multiply, I would get that. Okay. So now if I multiply all these three, it is going to be 168. The meaning is 168 comes in the table of 7, in the tables of 8, in the tables of 3. Now, to make you better understand, 168 divided by 7 will be 24 for short. I hope you understand how to say that without calculating. Because 7 times 8 times 3 gave me 168. That means if I divide by 7, again I'm going to get 24. Okay, 168 divided by 8, that's going to be 21, which I multiplied in the numerator. 7 times 3, 21. The first one, 24. 7 times 3, 24. Next, 168 is divided by 3, so that it gives you 56. That is why the third one, you have multiplied it into 7 times 8. That means you have multiplied it into 56 in the numerator and the denominator. Do you clear? Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Yes or no? Yeah. Okay. Now, what we have multiplied 2 times 24. Okay. Either I say I multiplied 8 times 3, or I can say that 2 times 24. 24. Because I have removed 7. Next. 8 times 21. 8 times 21. Next, 5 times 56. 5 times 56. Did you get that? Okay, so 48 plus 21 plus 280. So 48 plus 21 plus 280. So how much you get? 300. Forty-eight plus 21 plus 280, where you have to multiply them. Sorry, add them. So you get 349. So can you simplify this by either tables, 7th table or 6th table or something? Can you? Okay. Does that get divided by any other tables? Okay, can you hear me now? Okay. 349. Would it get divided by any tables? Or with common? Whatever this 168 divides, that will get divided only by 7, 8, and 3. Okay. Understood, right? So can I clear it? No. 349 is not divisible by 7. For sure. Try it out. 349 divided by 7. What do you get? I hope you'll get it in decimals. Okay. Can I clear the frame on one side and give you another question with the same? I'll give you an easy one to understand. Try to do it in your mind as much as you can. If you couldn't, then you can use your pen. Are you clear with that? Yeah, that is 343. This is 349. Not possible. Okay, giving you an easy question. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Thirty out of 30, 31 out of 30. Okay, 31 out of 30 is the final. Okay, any other answer? Any other answer? It's a final. Okay. So the first step, I have to make the denominator common. So 5 times 3 times 2, that's 30. 2 times what is 30? 2 times 15 is 30. So I multiply the same thing over here in the numerator. Okay. 3 times what is 30? 10. So I multiply with the numerator into 10. 5 times what is 30? 5 times 6 is 30. So multiply the same thing over here in the numerator. So 15 plus 10 plus 6. So that is 31. The answer is 31 over 30. You clear with that? Okay. That's nice. Okay. Now I'm giving you the question, the same using integers. I hope you know how to apply integers. So fraction and integers together. I hope you're able to do it from here. I'm directly without giving you subtraction. I'm going into integers. I hope you would be able to do it. Just so. Okay. 1/5 minus 2/5 plus 1/4. What would be the answer? Yes. What's the answer? -1/2 as per the board mass. Okay. Tamati, let me check it. -9/20. Okay, getting a different answer. That's fine. That's okay. We'll check all everyone's answer. Anybody else with any other answer? 1/20. Okay, so I have option one, 1/20. Option two, 9/20. Option three, -9/20. Any other options? Any other options? No? Okay. So I have here common, that's 5. Already it is common. So with that, joins 4. So my denominator is just 20. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4 is 20. The same thing is multiplied over here, 4 and 4. So this is 1 times 4 is 4 minus 4 times 2 is 8. Done. Plus 4 times 1 is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. So 4 times 1 times 5. Now multiply that over here. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Positive 1. So 1/20. If you have got wrong answers, please do check it once. If you have got right answers, that's good. But still, review it. Is your method is fine or my method makes you easier? Yep, sure. I'm explaining you again. Okay, so I'm redoing it. I'm redoing it. If you have lost a network or whatever it is, it's fine. I'm redoing it. Just take a look on. There is a denominator 554. Okay. That's fine. Whatever you do the method, you would get the same. So 5, 5, 4. So the denominator, which makes with the 5 tables and 4 tables common, is 20. Anybody have doubt with that? Okay, anyone have doubt in this? No. So 5 times 4 is 20. So I multiply the same thing in the numerator. 5 times 4 is 20. The same thing is multiplied over here in the numerator. 4 times 5 is 20. The same thing is multiplied over here in the numerator. So 1 times 4 is 4 minus 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 times 5 is 5. You use Bodmas or whatever rule. You say first is subtraction, then addition, it's fine. But actually it is addition only after that subtraction, Bodmas. So if I subtract these both first, it's -4. -4 plus 5, still it is 1. 1 over 20. No changes. Else, I do on another method. That is, first I added positive number, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 minus 8 is also 1. Any method, the answer is same. Are you clear with that? Okay. Can I give you another question like this and I want you to solve it? Is that okay? But this time, I'm expecting you to be more faster. See these topics, where does it come? A topic called ratio, a topic called percentage, a topic called time split distance, a topic called time and work, a topic called averages. Everywhere this is gonna happen. What you're learning now is gonna happen in all those topics. So if you know it already, that becomes easy over there. Okay, then I can just give you the question, say you solve it. Did you get that? Okay, here is your question. So every way this method is going to apply. So please be careful. So 2 divided by 11. I'm just giving quite bigger number because usually you used to. Whatever is there in your question papers, I'm giving on the basis of the same. 7, 4 over 7 minus 2 over 3. Your time starts now. Answers are differing. 244, 224, 286. I have three different answers. Please do check it. I really need to check whether it's divisible by 3 times table. Oh, that was nice of me, because I think most of you are getting different answers. So I think this topic is really a need to learn. Okay. Korofaji Jackson, thank you for your explanation. Let's check the answer. Ready? Anybody still wants time, or shall we check the answers? Okay, the first thing, one common thing where I can observe is all the denominators are same, 231. Yes, 11 times 7 times 3. Okay, 77 times 3. 223, done. So 11 multiplied by 21 is 231. So I multiply the numerator also into 21. That's 42. Minus 7 multiplied by 33 is 231. So multiplying the same in the numerator. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 113, 132. Minus 3 times 77 will give me 232. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 7, 14 plus 115. Okay, so 42, and these both are in negative. So first you have to add them. You have to add them. Okay, and the sign would be in negative. So they both are having the same signs. So minus 4 plus 2, 6, 5 plus 3, 8, 1 plus 1, 2. Whole divided by 231. Now, further to solve, the bigger number is negative, so the answer is negative, and I'm going to subtract it. 286 minus 42. 6 minus 2, 4. 8 minus 4 is 4 and 2. So whole divided by 231. So it is negative 244 divided by 231. Check it. Any doubts, please do let me know. Whoever got the wrong answers, it's okay. Please do check it. I'll give you one more question, but please do check the steps and check if you have any doubts. Let me know. I'm giving a last 30 seconds. Okay, I'm clearing the board on the left side. I'm erasing it. Okay, next question is 2 by 9 minus 5 by 8 minus 1 by 3, that's equal to. Three minutes time. Others, can you see my screen? Timothy, can you try to scroll your page? You might be able to see the board. Okay, that's good. Last 2 minutes. Shall we solve it? Anyone needs time? Let me know. Or shall we solve it? Sure, Jackson, we'll check it. Good. Your explanations are good. Okay, check. So the first thing is taking the common number. 9 times 8 is 72. In 72, yes, we have 3. So I'm taking only 72. The reason, because 3 comes in, sorry, 9 comes in 3 times table, and I don't want to again write it. Did you get that? If I do like this, 9, 8, 3, then I have to draw a line. I hope you remember these. So 3, 1 over here, 3 is not divisible for 8, it's over here. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. And next 3, again, 1 times 8 times 1, and only 8 is left out, then 8. So 3 times 8 times 3. Okay. That's the way the denominator is only 72. 9 times what is 72? 9 times 8. The same thing multiplied over here. So 8 times 2, 16. Minus 8 times 9 is 72. The same thing multiplied over here on the numerator. 5 times 9. Minus 3 times what is 72? 24. So I'm multiplying this into 24. So negative 1 times 24 is negative 24. Are you clear with this? Are you clear with the steps? So 16 minus 45 minus 24 whole divided by okay, 3 comes in which tables? Does 9 does 9 come in 3 times table? Does 9 come in 3 times table? Yes or no? Yes. That's why we have written it 1 time. Okay, for example, if I'm splitting 8, I can split 8 as 2 times 2 times 2. When I split 9, I'm going to split it as 3 times 3 and 3 itself. I cannot split it anything, so it is 3 itself. So I'm combining the numbers which are possible. If not, keep it as it is. This is what is called least common multiple, the way to find the multiples of the number. Even though you multiply like this, nothing wrong. It's nothing wrong. You can do like this also, no worries. Are you clear with that? Yes? Okay. Now, 16 minus 45 minus 24. So yes, we use 72 as LCM as those denominators, common number for all of them. 72. In 9 table we have 72, in 8 table we have 72, in 3 tables also we have 72. Did you get it? So for us in the denominator, it has to come in all the tables. So 72, will it come in 3 times table? Yes. Will it come in 8 times table? Yes. Will it come in 9 times table? Yes. Okay. Are you clear with that? Good. Okay, so 16 minus 45 minus 24. First, what we do, add them both and write the negative sign. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 4 plus 2 is 6, minus 69 plus 16 divided by 72. So the final answer is 72 and yeah. Okay, so 9 minus 6 is 3 and 6 minus 1 is 5. The bigger number is negative, so the answer is also negative. So it is minus 53 divided by 72. Are you clear with this? Any doubts? Okay, that's good. Now, I'm giving you a question. I think already we have done. I just want you to tell me what is mixed fraction and how to convert it. We have already done. I'm giving you a number to convert it. Please do so. Okay. 231 divided by, let's say, 4. What's the answer in mixed fraction? That's not mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means without decimals. So 231 divided by 4, where 23 is for 5. So 20, remainder 3, bring down 1, 4 times 7, 28, subtract it, you get 3. Okay, so 57, 3 over 4. This is what is called as mixed fraction. Are you clear with that? Yeah, good. Now, I'm clearing the board on the other side. I hope you understood what is mixed fraction. Yes. Now, how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction? So what is called as an improper fraction? Anyone? What is called as an improper fraction? Numerator greater than denominator. That's correct. Numerator is larger. Okay, the right word is greater. That's good. Okay, so now the same question, what we have written on the board, the mixed fraction, 57, 3/4. Good, it's bigger. Okay, that's good. Nice. So now how to convert this 57, 3/4 as improper fraction? That means I want to get this answer 231 divided by 4. That means fraction 4. Good. So the first step is 57 times 4 plus 3 whole divided by 4 would give me 231. So this by 4 is on the same place. I get the same. So it's called quotient, remainder, and the divisor. Okay, quotient, remainder, the divisor. So what you're supposed to do is quotient is multiplied with the divisor and added remainder whole divided by again the divisor itself. This will give me improper fraction. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with the statement? That's great. Nice. Can I erase it? Good. Now I'm giving you some 4 questions. Quickly convert them into improper fraction and give me the answer so that I can give you questions on that. Very easy questions. Yes, you can do it as fast as you can. The last question is over here. That's great. The first one, 11 times 4. Anyone did not understand? First, you let me know. I'll explain it, then I'll give you the answers. Anyone who did not understand how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction? Anyone there? Anybody there? Who did not understand how to convert? Who did not understand how to convert? Okay. Okay. I'm allowing you both to unmute yourself who did not understand. Only them, not everyone. Francis and Mohammed Maiga. Okay. Mohammed Maig and Francis. You both can unmute yourself. Only Mohammed Maig and Francis. Okay, good. Now, Francis, can you tell me what's the first step?
Master, I didn't understand how you are getting the questions and the device.
Okay, fine. So 11/3/4. Can you tell me what is the divisor?
That's what I didn't get. Is it the one we are dividing on or?
Okay, these are the questions which I've given you new, nothing divided. I've given you new. I'm writing it over here on the right side. So if I take a number, let's say 10 divided by 3. What's the quotient?
10 divided by 3.
What is the quotient?
I think the
Not
quotient.
question. Quotient.
Quotient is the number of times that the number is divisible by the denominator.
So 10 divided by 3. What is the quotient?
It's going to be 3.
3.
Yes.
So minus 9 and 1. What is this 1 called as?
The remainder.
Good. So quotient, remainder by divisor. The quotient is 3, the remainder is 1, and the divisor is 3. Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now you have to multiply quotient times divisor. Did you get that?
Yes, yes.
Okay. What is quotient times divisor?
Quotient times divisor is going to be 9.
Very good. Plus the remainder.
Plus 1, which is 1.
Yeah. Yeah.
Divided
So how
by
much?
3.
10. So the divisor you have to always write.
Okay.
So what's the answer now?
The answer is going to be 10 over 3.
See, the same thing you get. If
Okay.
I divide 10 over 3, I'm going to get 3, 1 over 3. If I change 3, 1 over 3 as improper fraction, I'm going to get the same question again.
Yes, yes.
Is it clear? Is that clear?
It is very clear, sir.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you.
Okay, okay, you're welcome. Anybody else have doubts? Zabon, may I know what's your doubt? Zabon. Can you type it? Do you have any doubts, Zabon? You have raised your hand. Zabon, do you have any doubt? Okay, I'm allowing to unmute yourself. Only Zabon. You can unmute yourself, yes.
Pertaining to the first question, can the first question 11 whole number 3 over 4? Can you,
Okay.
I mean, go back to get to place it in a division bar and
Sure. Now, can
get
you tell me in 11, 3/4, what is a quotient?
the quotient will be 11.
Good. What's the divisor?
The divisor is 4.
So what is quotient multiplied by divisor? That's a formula or the way to remember. Okay, quotient multiplied by divisor. 11 times 4, how much?
11 times 4 is 44.
44. And I have to add the remainder. What's the remainder?
3.
3. So what is 44 plus 3?
47.
So it's 47/4. That's the answer.
Yeah, but my qualm is if you can put it back in the division bar like the way you did 3, I mean 10/3. The way can you please yes, sure.
Yes, you can. Got it right?
Sure. Thank you.
On the right side, I've shown you on the right side. Can you see here? 47 divided by 4. The quotient is 11. The remainder is 3. And the divisor is 4. So when I write it again in the same format, it's going to be 11 3/4. Is that clear? Okay. Anybody else have doubt? Let me know. I hope Zaban's doubt is clear. Anybody else have doubt? Let me know. That's great. Okay, now the next question. 7 times 2, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 15 by 7, 33, 33 plus 1, 34 by 11, 30, 30 plus 1, 31 by 6, 8 times 9, 72, 73, 74, 74/9, done. Check your answers. Is that all right? Natasha's answers are fine. Malik's answers are fine, but you wanted it in improper fraction. So please do it again. Yeah. Yes, your answer is fine for the fourth question. Zori's answers are fine. Kurumpashi's answers, let me check. Labness, your answers are fine. Good. Okay. Shall we go on with the next one? Good. Okay, I'm going to clear the screen, or do you want to keep the notes and give you questions on one side? Which one do you want? Shall I clear the screen or erase it only one side? Okay, I'm erasing only one side. Let the other questions be for your, I think this is what is needed actually. Okay. The question what I'm going to give you now is integer mixed fraction together. So you're supposed to convert them into improper fraction, add them or subtract them. After that, again, if it is needed, you have to divide it and convert into mixed fraction. Are you clear with that? So the question is 2 1/2, very easy question, minus 3 1/3 minus 4 1/4. The first step is convert them into improper fraction you have three mixed fractions, convert them into improper fractions, then add and subtract them, add and subtract them. After that, after adding and subtracting, again convert them into mixed fraction. The final answer should be quotient remainder by divisor. Are you clear? The question I've given in mixed fraction, convert them into improper fraction, solve it. The final answer again convert into mixed fraction. If you keep solving, you will understand. The first step, convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction and keep it ready. Okay, when you solve this, for sure, the numerator would be bigger. So then you have to again solve it into mixed fraction. So Diksha, is this your final answer? Then you have to convert this minus 61 by 12 as a mixed fraction. You have to go for another step. If these answers are your final improper fraction, convert them again into mixed fraction. Sure, Nilofer, I'll just solve it for you. Good. Okay. I'm going to solve it. Let's solve it. Fine. So the first one, 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 by 2 minus 3 times 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 divided by 3 minus 4 into 4, 16, 16 plus 1, 17, 17 by 4. Okay. Now I would solve it in a normal way. How do I solve the improper fractions or proper fractions? So I'll take the LCM. So that is 12. So 12 comes in 2 times table, 12 comes in 3 times table, 12 comes in 4 times table. Clear with that, right? So 2 times 6 is 12. The same thing to be multiplied over here. 5 times 6 is 30. It is done. Minus 3 times 4 is 12. 10 times 4 is 40. So that makes 40. Next, minus 4 times 3 is 12. And 17 times 3 is 51. Is done. So 30 minus 40 minus 51. So first is these things. So it is minus 91 plus 30 minus 91 plus 30 is going to give me minus 61. Minus 61 over 12. So that's going to give me negative 5, 1 over 12. If your answers are 5, 1 over 12, I don't still accept it because the answer is in negative. So it's negative 5, 1 over 12. This is what I mean. At the end, again, you have to convert into mixed fraction because 61 is the numerator, is bigger than the denominator. So then I need to again solve it. Are you getting it? Are you all clear with that? Okay, shall we go on with the next? That's okay. Okay, I'm giving you one question. If you solve it right, then we are going on with the next. Is that okay? Same mixed fraction question. I'm giving you one. If you solve it, that would be great. So I'm giving you an easy one. 1, 1 over 2 minus 2, 1 over 2 minus 1, 1 over 3. Very simple question. Please do solve it and get me the answer. First step, convert into improper fraction, solve it, then again convert it into mixed. Mine's that was good. So nobody have simplified and you have read it. That was really good. Emmanuel have simplified, that's good. Virat and the others, please do simplify it. Beloved, simplified, that was good. Geraldine has simplified, that's good. So always remember, you have to simplify. Francis have simplified, that's good. So the first step, 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 over 2 minus 2 times 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 divided by 2 minus 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 over 3. Okay, so 3 times 2 times 2, 3, so it would be 6. Yes, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, minus 15. That's okay, beloved. I was supposed to ask you. You were late, but that's okay. Please do check the video once so that you might learn it better. Okay, 4 times 2, 8. Now, picking up with this, 15 plus 5 plus 3 minus 23 and subtracting 9 from that. So minus 23 minus 3 is 20, minus 20 plus 6. So minus, that is minus 14. So negative 14 divided by 6. If I simplify, I get 7 over 3. So the answer would be 2, negative 2, 1 over 3. Clear with that? Clear with that? Any doubts? That's great. So I'm going to clear the screen. Can I clear the screen? Okay. Just quick review, not up from this topic, from the other topics. Can you tell me what's the answer of this question? Did I give you this? And this. Did I give you these both kind of questions? If yes, I'm going to give you the next. If no, I'm just giving you some more questions in this. Did I give you this topic before? Yes or no? Did I give you these kind of questions before in the previous classes? Could anyone please remember? Can you try to recall? Okay, then that's great. I'm going to give you the next one. This is just for a revision. So 2 times 2 is 2, 5 times 2, 10. And this is 1 by 5. Second one is a cross multiplication. When I have a division sign, it gets cross multiplied and over here. So 3 times 4 is 12. And this 1 gets multiplied with 5. It's 5. So it's 12 by 5, or that was good, Francis. 2 over 5. That was really great. That was a good one. Are you clear with the second question? Okay, I'm giving you a question, so you can try it out. I'm taking you into the question paper board. Ready? Are you all ready? 1, 2, 3. Here you go. I hope the question is visible, and I want you to read it, understand what you're supposed to do, addition or subtraction or multiplication or division using the fractions, and please do solve it. Sure, I've given you a question. I hope the question slide is visible to you all. I want you to read it and solve the question. Either the fraction is going to be addition or subtraction or multiplication or division or integers or fractions or whatever until now we solved. Please do read it once and try it. Okay. Thank you. Chinin. I'm sorry. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Thank you very much for your response. ensure your attendance is being filled. And let's get into the question. So how long did Casey work on her science project? So she worked on her science project on Tuesday and Wednesday. So before getting into the question, let's say 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So converting this into fraction, that's going to be 60 by 60. That's equals to 1 hour. Okay, now 3 by 4 means 75%, or I can call 3 by 4 as 45 minutes or 3 by 4 hours. Anyone have doubt in this? Let me know. Three by 4 hours means 45 minutes. 3 by 4 hours means 45 minutes. That means 60 multiplied by 3 by 4 hours. Did you get that? 60 means 1 hour. It's given H means 1 hour. 3 divided by 4 multiplied by 60. Okay, this is the way to convert it into minutes. It's already given in fraction 3 by 4 hours. So it is going to be 45 minutes. Did you get that? Or I can say 45 minutes divided by 60. If I solve that, I'm getting 3 by 4. So this is called as 3 by 4 hours. Any doubts? Next, 5 divided by 6 hours. That means 60 multiplied by 5 by 6. So that's going to be 50 minutes. 50 minutes. We can solve it in fraction also. Just making you to learn about time, so that I've given in this explanation, so that in future topics it would be easy for me to tell you how to convert hours into minutes and fraction. Okay, so 45 minutes in fraction, that's nothing but 45 divided by 60. Are you clear with that? And 50 minutes is nothing but 50 divided by 60. That gives me 5 by 6, and this gives me 3 by 4. So overall, out of 1 hour, that means the LCM is 60. So 45 plus 50. So it's going to be 95 minutes altogether. So in 1 hour, 60 minutes, 2 hours, 120 hours. So 1 hour and 25 minutes out of 60 is what the science completion. That means it's 1 hour. I'm taking it in mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction of it. So 1 hour, simplifying it, is 5 by 12. 5 by 12 hours are taken to complete the science project. (120 minus 95). 25, not 35. Could you please check it? Maybe I may be sometimes wrong. Could you please check it? Is it 25 or 35? Menza? Any doubts over here? Let me know. I'll explain, or we'll go on with the next. It's 1 hour 35 minutes. 120 minus 95. Okay, we'll do one. We'll go on in the, I'll give you the fraction method also. Okay, I'm just raising this. Yeah, I'm sorry, 25 gone, 35 more. Yes. Okay. 25 remaining out of 120 and 35 minutes used. So that's going to be 7 by 12. I meant to say 25 yet to cover to us. So 7 by 12. Okay, I'm explaining it over here. Again, on the right side. Let's go in a very simple way without time. conversion. If you go on in the fraction, these things you need it in the other topics, but still. So for this science project, Tuesday 3/4, Wednesday 5/6. So 3/4 plus 5/6. So what's common? It's 12. So 3 times 3 is 9. 6 times 2 is 12. So 5 times 2 is 10. So that's going to be 19/12 or 1/7/12. Done. So this was the work done for the science project. 1/7/12. So Casey worked on a science project for 3/4 hours on Tuesday and 5/6 hours on Wednesday. Are you clear with that? So how long did she work for science project altogether? So that is 3/4 hours and 5/6 hours. So adding them together, it's 1/7/12. Converting into minutes, that's the other part for you to understand without calculating how to do it. Okay, next. How much longer did Casey work on the project on Wednesday than on Tuesday? So what you should do? How much did she work on the project on Wednesday than on Tuesday? What do you have to do? How much did you work before the day? Yeah, subtraction. So it is 5 minutes longer. Yeah, already we have, right? 5 minutes means 5/60. So that's going to be 1/12, right? The same question, in spite of adding, I'm going to subtract. So that means 3/4 minus 5/6. That's going to give me 9 minus 10. This is for A and this is for B. A divided by 12. That's equal to negative 1/12. That means it's 1/12 on lead. Okay. So it is 1/12. Did you get that? Did you get that? Yes or no? Yeah. Next, why did they talk about time over here? It's 2 hours in the school, exactly they worked. Okay, over for 3 days. So 2 hours means how many minutes? 2 hours means how many minutes? 120, yes. So 120 minutes, out of 120 minutes, they're asking 2 hours in school over the day. How much did you spend only for the math? For the science, we know that it was spent 19/12. Is it yes? For the science project, he already spent 19/12. Yes. So now asking the same thing, what's there for 2 hours? Or I can say they worked 1 hour and 35 minutes. It was 45 minutes over here. It was 50 minutes over here. So 40, 50, 90, 95 minutes. So 95 means 60 plus 35 minutes. Already 45 minutes worked. That means 60 into 3/4 and 60 into 5/6 gives me 50. We know that already they worked out of 120, 45 minutes is work, 50 minutes is work. Now what is the rest of the time work? So that's equals to 120. Okay, are you clear with that? So 95 minutes has already been worked out of X. That's equals to 120. So 25 minutes he has not worked. So when I say it is in fraction, it's going to be 25 over 60, which is 5 over 12. This is what at the beginning is solved. I just got messed up with that. So it's 5 over 12. Got it right? 45 minutes for the science on Tuesday, 50 minutes on the science on Wednesday. So it's 95 hours. Total 2 hours are allotted out of 3 days. So that's going to be 120 minus 95. So 25 minutes. Magma, that question, I don't have the answer whether it has been done in school or at home. I think that becomes irrelevant. So it's said to be a homework, then it is at home. It's clearly mentioned the math homework, science project. So it's all about homework, science project all together. So this is at home. I hope your doubt is clear. Okay, any doubts over here for the 3 questions? So the third one would be 5 over 12. You didn't understand the question. Okay, I'm reading the question for you. So it says that the person or a lady, Casey, she is working 3 by 4 hours. That means 45 minutes on Tuesday to do a science project. On Wednesday, she took 50 minutes to work on the project. That out of 1 hour. Are you clear with that? Jackson, Casey worked on a science project for the first day, 45 minutes, second day, 50 minutes. So science project alone, she would have worked for 95 minutes. Any doubts in that? Jackson, any doubts in that? Okay, I'm allowing you to unmute yourself. Jackson can unmute yourself and let me know. Yes, Jackson. You can unmute yourself. Yes, Jackson.
So I don't understand where the answer of question number C come from, because
Okay.
what
So in the C, they have given 2 hours, right? 2H means 2 hours. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. 2 hours is how many minutes?
Yeah.
1 hour is 60 minutes. Then 2 hours is how many minutes?
120 minutes.
Very good. So 120 minutes is the time taken.
Yeah.
And already Casey has taken 45 minutes and 50 minutes on Wednesday and Tuesday, right? So already she has consumed 95 minutes out of 2 hours. The complete project to be completed in 2 hours, including the math homework and the science. So first 2 days, she has consumed 95 minutes. In the third day, out of 120, how many minutes she would have consumed? First 2 days, 95 minutes, 3 days together, 120 minutes. Then what is on the third day?
35.
Yeah, 25. Okay, so 25 minutes on the third day. So I want to convert into fraction. So 25 divided by 60, that gives me 5 over 12. Are you clear with that?
I still.
Okay,
So,
so,
understand
so,
question? Are you hear me?
yes, I can.
How you found that 45 plus 50 equal 95? Where it come from that 24 as the answer for question number C?
Okay,
So you get that
so
24
120 hours for 3 days. Any doubt in that?
is 100, that is equal
Okay,
to
first
the
day for the science, it was 45 minutes. Second day for the science project again, it was 5 by 6. That means 50 minutes. Any doubts with these both?
15 minutes.
Now, the third day, you want to find it. That's for the maths. Did you get it? When I add them 3, I have to get 120.
Yeah.
Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that?
Yes, I'm exhausting.
Yeah. So 45 plus 15, 95. 95 plus 25 will give me 120. So everything is in hours. So I'm dividing it by 60. So 25 by 60, that gives me 5 by 12. Are you clear with that?
Yeah.
Okay. Any doubts over here?
It's just I understood.
Okay, that's great. Anybody else have doubts? Anyone else have doubts? Shukran, thank you. Okay, anyone else have any doubts? No doubt. Okay. That was great. So today, I'm just giving you a revision of whatever we have done until now. The first one we started with Natasha. Just quickly sharing you the link. You can just click on the link what I give you right now. Maybe that could help you out. The videos. So from this, you can click on the channel name and you will get all the videos. So from Jain University support, I just started you with addition and subtraction basics and shortcuts, how to use it to find it in options. Then we have done even multiplications, division, how to convert into mixed fraction, and doing with integers, again, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of integers, fractions, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Today we have done including the mixed fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and integers of mixed fraction and integers of fraction. So where these things will help you out for nearly 6 topics. So you have to revise these topics again and again so that over there that becomes very easy for you. And I've given you one question today to solve the word problem of fractions. So I would give you more. So today I've given you just only one. Next class I'll give you more questions. But please do review the video as much as you can and come and sending you the link. Click on the video link. You would get the video. At the same time, click on the channel name so that you will get the past class videos. Are you clear with that? Are you clear? Yeah. Okay. Any other question? Thank you. Thank you, beloved. Thank you, Jory. Thank you, Yaya. Thank you, Yori. Thank you, Josny. Thank you, Nilofer. Thank you, Rami. Thank you, Joy. Thank you, Francis. Thank you, Noah. Thank you, Menza. Thank you, Margaret. Thank you, Zoan. Thank you very much. Thank you, Venal. Thank you, Milaza. Thank you, Peter. Thank you all. attendance link. Please do find it in your browsers, or I think again you can check with your friends. I'm just sending the attendance link. But still, yeah, that was good. Thank you. Okay, I'm stopping it. Thank you very much. Let's catch up on Saturday, same time. Thank you. Thank you, Patrick. Have a great day to you all.